Welcome students. Today is the discussion about the exercise 3.3 and 3.4 of construction of quadrilaterals. The construction of quadrilaterals in exercise 3.3 and 3.4. You all know that if a quadrilateral is to be constructed, then the following measurements are to be needed. In the previous session, we have already discussed how to construct a quadrilateral in exercise 3.1 and 3.2, like when four sides one angle given and when four sides one diagonal given. Now I'll show how to construct a quadrilateral when three sides and two diagonals given and two sides one included angle and two angles like this, two adjacent angles, two adjacent sides and three angles. In the three angles, one angle should be included angle. So these two constructions, that is construction 3 and the construction 4, I'll demonstrate today. So the third construction, the problems in the exercise 3.3, that is when three sides and two diagonals are given. Let us draw first of all the rough diagram, and I have taken this problem. The problem is construct the quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is equal to 4.5 centimeters, BC 5.2 centimeters, CD 4.8 centimeters, and the diagonals, one is AC that is equal to 5 centimeters and another one BD that is equal to 5.4 centimeters. So let us draw the rough diagram. This is a quadrilateral ABCD in which the diagonals, length of the diagonals are given like this. One diagonal length is 5 centimeters, the another one is 5.4 centimeters, and three sides are given, that is AB, BC, and CD. So when these five measurements are given, how to construct a quadrilateral, that I'll show you with the instruments which you observe in your geometry box. Okay. So this is the construction 3, construction of a quadrilateral when three sides and two diagonals are given. So this is the construction. For that, you have to draw a line segment AB that is equal to 4.5 centimeters with center B and the radius, with center B and the radius 5.2 centimeters. You should draw an arc, and with center A and radius 5 centimeters, you have to draw one more arc. And when you join the point of intersection with A and B, you can observe a triangle, isn't it? So this is a triangle when three sides are given. Side property. So this is the, see here. So first you have to draw a line segment AB with 4.5 centimeters, and then with center B and the radius 5.2 centimeters, you have to measure in your compass. Draw an arc like this, and with center A and radius 5 centimeters, now you have to draw one more arc. Let the point of intersection of these two arcs be C, and join AC and BC like this. So what you will observe now, you can observe a triangle now. Now we know one more side and one more diagonal also to construct the quadrilateral. Let us see the further steps. So again you have to take a compass and you have to take a radius of about 4.8 centimeters. Radius 4.8 centimeters. Put the pointer at C. Take a radius of about 4.8 centimeters. Draw the arc like this. And with the center B, we know the diagonal. No, the diagonal length we know. What is the diagonal length? That is 5.4 centimeters. So with the diagonal length of 5.4 centimeters, you have to keep the pointer at B and draw this arc. Let the point of intersection, put it as D. Now join BD like this and join CD also like this, and you have to join AD also, isn't it? Then only you can observe a quadrilateral, that is four-sided closed figure. So this is all about the construction when three sides and two diagonals are given. So here also 5 measurements are essential to construct a quadrilateral. So this is all about the construction. Now let us write the construction steps. So these are the construction steps. The first step is, first you have to prepare a rough diagram with a given measurements, and first you have to draw a triangle ABC with side property. That is, the three sides are given, AB is given, BC is given, and AC is also given. So with these three measurements you can draw a triangle, and with the center C and the radius 4.8 centimeters you have to draw an arc, and with the center B and radius 5.4 centimeters you have to draw another arc, so that that arc will intersect the previous arc at one point. So that point will be D. Now you have to join this BD, CD and AD also, and this is the required the triangle formed. So these are the construction steps for the construction. Now we'll move on to the fourth construction. In this construction, this is a little bit typical construction. So in this construction, two adjacent sides are given and three angles are given. In that three angles, one should be an included angle. So for this, we have taken a problem like this. So here it is given that the parallelogram is given. The parallelogram ABCD is given. You have to draw a parallelogram. You know the properties regarding parallelogram. The opposite sides will be parallel and the opposite sides will be equal, and the opposite angles should be equal in a parallelogram. So in this parallelogram, the AB is given, BC is given, and one angle is given, and we don't know the other two angles. Let us find out the two angles. So this is the parallelogram. This parallelogram is ABCD. So in this, BC is given, that is 5 centimeters. AB is also given, that is 4.2 centimeters. Two sides are given. Those two sides are adjacent sides. Adjacent sides means side. See here, this is AB is adjacent to BC. So we can say these two are adjacent sides, whereas CD is opposite to AB. So you can say those two are opposite sides. So these two sides are given and one angle is also given. The angle at B is given. The angle at B is given, and we don't know the other two angles. Now let us find out the other two angles. You know that this is a parallelogram. In a parallelogram, opposite angles will be equal. So naturally, if angle B is 45 degrees, the angle D will also be 45 degrees. And we know that angle A is equal to angle C. So these two are obtuse angles, these two are acute angles. Now let us work out a small problem to find out this angle C and angle A also. See here, you know that in a quadrilateral, when some of the four angles will be equal to 360 degrees. So in a parallelogram, what happens? The opposite angles will be equal. So let us take that angle A is X and angle C is also X. So in place of angle A and angle C, I have substituted x. And you know that angle B is given, how much it is? It is 45 degrees. So naturally the angle D will be 45. So in place of B and in place of D, I substituted 45 degrees. So when you add these two, you will get 90 degrees. And x plus x, that is 2x. And when you take this 90 to other side, it will become minus. So 360 minus 90, you will get 270. So 2x is equal to 2x is equal to 270. Then x is equal to 270 by 2. So when you divide it, you will get 135 degrees. So what will be the angle at A and C? Tell me, what will be the angle? Yes, it will be 135 degrees. So the angle at C and the angle at A will be 135 degrees. So here in this construction, now we know 3 angles and 2 adjacent sides. Now let us draw the construction for this parallelogram. So now let us draw the construction. Okay. So this is the fourth construction, that is the construction when the 2 adjacent sides and the 3 angles are given. So in the previous slide, we have discussed how to get the other 2 angles in a parallelogram when one angle is given, and we know the angles, 3 angles and 2 adjacent sides. Now I'll show you how to construct a parallelogram. So for that, you have to take a line segment. First you have to draw the base. The base is 4.2 centimeters. So the line segment length is 4.2 centimeters. You have to draw a line segment. Now at an angle B, you have to locate 45 degrees angle. So for that 45 degrees angle, you can locate with the help of a protractor also. But in this 8th class, you have to use only compass to identify this angle, 45 degrees angle. So how to identify this 45 degrees angle, I'll show you. You observe carefully. So for that, you have to take a radius. See here, I have drawn an arc. So what is the length of this line segment? How much it is? It is 4.2 centimeters. So what will be the half of it? It will be 2.1. So less than half you have to take. So here I have taken 1.5 centimeters. The length of this radius is 1.5 centimeters. So put your pointer at B, draw an arc like this, and locate the point like this, the arc and the line segment intersection point. And from there you put the pointer with the same radius. You have to draw an arc like this. So what will be the angle between these 3 points? How much will be the angle? So when you draw one arc, the angle made will be 60 degrees. And when you draw one more arc, the angle will be again 60. So the total angle from here to here, it will be 60 plus 60, that is 120 degrees. That is 120 degrees. Now you have to bisect this angle. See here, this angle you have to bisect. So angular bisector. For that you have to take a radius that is less than this arc length, and you have to put your pointer here at this point and here also at this point, and you have to draw arcs like this, and you have to keep a point of intersection. And when you join this and the side and the point B, so this line will be perpendicular to AB. Why I call perpendicular? Because see here, this one from here to here it is 60. So from here to here it is 60. So this line, this purple line, is bisecting this angle. Bisecting means this is 30 and here it is 30. So here it is 60 plus 30, 90. So this purple line will be perpendicular to AB. You can see it is perpendicular or not. Can you observe it? Yes, it is perpendicular. Now you need 90 degrees or 45 degrees? You need 45 degrees. Now what we'll do, we'll bisect this angle. So for that, you have to measure this length. You take it more than half. You put the pointer here at this, here also. See, I'll show you. Locate the point. Okay, more than half you take. And draw the arcs like this. The same radius, you should not disturb the radius. The same radius you should maintain. Don't disturb the radius. When you disturb the radius, you don't get correct angle. So this black line will be your needed angle, that is 45 degrees. Now you know this side, and this side also, it is 5 centimeters. So this side will be 5 centimeters. So you will get the point C somewhere on this black line. So that point C will be is about 5 centimeters from B. So take 5 centimeters with an arc, put the pointer at B, draw an arc, take the radius as 5 centimeters, draw an arc, locate a point C. This point will be C. Yes, this is C. Now, at this point, how much the angle should be? It should be 135 degrees. So that 135 degrees also, we should locate the 135 degree angle with the help of compass only. So for that, you have taken, this is 5 centimeters, no, that is less than half. That is, I have taken here 2 centimeters and drawn an arc like this. See here. So let that arc will touch the line segment BC at some point. You indicate that point, draw one arc with the same radius. You have to draw one more arc, keeping the pointer here at this position. One more arc. So this is 60 and this is one more 60. And when you put pointer here, and if you try to draw one more arc, that arc will definitely touch this line segment. Why it will touch the line segment? You know, this one is 60, this one is 60, and this one is 60. 3 into 60, that is 180 degrees. So 180 degrees means how the angle will be? It will be straight line. That is why this is a straight line. No, you will get this half circle is nothing but 180 degrees. So this, and now this is 135. We need 135, no? So we will get that 135 somewhere about this part here, somewhere here. So this is 60. After 120, you'll get somewhere here, you'll get. Let us see. See here, again, you take some radius and draw an arc like this. You are bisecting these 2 points. So therefore you have to keep pointer here and here. So wherever you bisect the same points, you want to bisect this, so you have to put pointer here and here. Now you got the line. What I have done? I have bisected this angle. So this 60, I have made it half. So this one is 30. So how much we got angle now? It will be 60, 60, 120 plus 30. That is 150 we got. So we need 135, no? So we need only 15, not 30. So we'll make this one half again. Again, we'll bisect this angle. So for that bisection, again, you have to locate the point here. See, point that. Again, you take a compass, again, draw an arc like this one, this arc, and see where the pointer is. See. So these 2 points I'm bisecting, therefore you have to keep the pointer here and here. Now the required angle is acquired. Yes. So this black line, this angle will be whatever the angle you need, that is 135 degrees angle, you got it. So this is the procedure. The same thing you can repeat at angle A also, but now I have done with the help of a protractor. I indicated the same procedure. Whatever procedure I have explained at point C, the same procedure you can do it at A also and work out. So when these two rays will intersect at a point D. So can you observe the parallelogram now? Yes. So these opposite angles 135, these opposite angles will be 45. When you add all angles, it will be 360 degrees. This is the construction part. Okay.
Now about the construction steps. For the construction, so this one, the first step is you have to draw a rough diagram with the given measurements. Now, draw a triangle ABC with side angle side property. That is the angle we know, AB line segment we know, the angle at B we know, that is 45 degrees, and BC also you know, that is 5 centimeters. With this side angle side measurements, you can draw a triangle. So after that, keeping the point at C, the point C, and make an angle of 135 degrees, draw an ray, that is CX ray, and with the center A, and you have to make an angle of 135 degrees, draw another ray. So let the point of intersection of these two rays will be the D, and when you join this two ray, that is AD and CD, you may get a parallelogram. So this one, the required parallelogram is formed. So these are the construction steps for the construction. And this is all about today's session. In this session, I have explained how to construct two constructions in 3.3 and 3.4. That is, the two diagonals and 3 sides are given, and 2 adjacent sides, 3 angles are given. So how to construct these two constructions? So now you can solve easily in problems 3.3 and 3.4. Thank you.